Golden Cafe. So guys, this time we're gonna try something new. We are at Wongden Cafe and I've ordered sugar donut with cappuccino and she ordered butter croissant with butter tea. Got butter and then I have some work. I will do that first and then we are going to buy chupa. Yeah. And guys, मैंने पहले एक chupa सिला लिया guys. Then I have to buy another one. So I'm wearing black and she's Miss Grey. Yes, Sam? This American breakfast from my brother Sam. I'm gonna give it to him. 남지 하고 싫어도 힘을 찾으셔.
Shawty, you bad, but you're good to me. I don't know really what you're doing to me. How about you spend the night with me? Last ring for I pass, put the blame on me. So fresh in this night dress, baby. Girl, you the best for me, you ain't gotta worry. Red hair and you badass, baby. The way you look at me, you make me go crazy. 문에인다, 예수만 맨다. 봄목부터 펼쳐진다, 상어와라. 문에인다, 예수만 맨다. 그래도 badass, 말하고 해레샤.
So guys, we are back at Sarang Cafe. Sarang.
Welcome home, finally.
Welcome to Ngao Point Dine. 안녕. Nyanyi menceritakan nyanyi guys. Ini semua. Konsumasa समझ नहीं आया ना guys. So what I'm saying is, मैं ये गर्म पानी सर्व करने वाली हूँ. Actually, it's kind of like a tea जो खाना खाने से पहले कोरियन लोग पीते हैं. So this is it. So you have to drink this. Yeah, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 감사합니다 means guys thank you so much. 고마워 मतलब कि thank you. So guys, we are back at room and मैंने shower ले लिया है and केसंग ने भी ले लिया है and अब हम लोग we gonna listen to some music and I've just posted because issue का problem आता है and और क्या करने वाले केसंग? सोना कितना सोना